Okay, for EGMO, one reason why I highlight it because I noticed a significant so-called build-up in terms of the trading pattern forming a so-called triangle since November last year. So this so-called triangle has about to be completed. As you can see, it has created a five leg already, and the new high-low structure since February has dictated that the stock is about to stage a stronger breakout move. Granted, there are a number of the price rejection within, particularly within a 75 cent range, but if you notice, the reading of volume profile is not that what we call that it's not that severe. So it does mean that it is possible for the stock to go beyond this level, particularly when you saw the build up in the trading volume for the past 2 weeks. Momentum, let's take a look at the momentum reading. You can see here there's a new high structure on the right side as well, and the stock is actually comfortably trading above 50 point mark and also above the long-term average line. So because of that, we think there's a decent chance for the uptrend to occur, and the breakout above what we call today's breakout above the so-called triangle neckline could actually extend the stop higher. We being little bit conservative, so we put technical target or resistance little bit on the lower end at 75.5 cent and 86.5 cent. But regardless, we may review the stock if the price hitting the immediate target in shorter period of time. But regardless, we think the technical reading, it does look decent and right for further upside, particularly in the near term. All right, the next idea we have is called Sun. Yep, it's a glove stock. I have run through a few of the glove stock, including Hata Lega, Top Gloves, Supermac, and so on. But I do notice that Kosan is much more, I would say, first, less risky. The second, more attractive. And one of the reason why I did that, because if you look on the setup that I have here, the stock is actually consolidating within or something. It's not symmetrical, but is descending triangle pattern. Now, what thing is notice is actually how the stock is capable to holding very well above the ATR line since November. So the ATR line have not changed since November. You can see a repeated what we call the attempt to break below those level has been, has not happening. You can see plenty of buying interest continue to absorb what we call the interest within this level. And if you read on the volume profile, there's number of the what we call that interest picking up, particularly with the range of 1 ringgit and 8 cent region. So the trading volume also notably see, you can see a little bit on the higher side improving along with the what we call that momentum. So because that, we think there's a decent chance for the uptrend to continue, and with the breakout above the so-called triangle breakout pattern should be occur in the near term. So we put our technical target at 119, 1 ringgit 19 cent, and also 1 ringgit 32 cent. Next, we have Airsoft. Airsoft is the stock that T and Amira mentioned yesterday. You do recall that I mentioned that if the stock break above 60 cent, it does look good and could actually kickstart a new upcycle. Well, despite so-called a little bit weaker in terms of the price action, it did, however, break the 60 cent marker and also was backed by high trading volume. Momentum also improving. So because of that, we think Airsoft could actually have a decent chance to trade higher, particularly to reach challenging their major 200-day moving average in near term. So we put net technical target at 65 cent and 70 cent, while the support will be at 56 cent. Then we have IMAR CB. The ongoing so-called correction has ended following a reversal signal within a 72% energy line and 61-point Fibonacci level. So you can see a number of rejection that was followed by a new high low structure, while yesterday again on the back of slightly high trading volume, improving momentum, signal a continuation of the prior uptrend move. So we think the uptrend should be able to continue as we put our next target at 36.5 cent and 40.5 cent, while the support will be at 30 cent. Last but not least will be a REITs, Pavilion REIT. So one of the reason why I highlight, because if you look on the stock bigger time frame weekly chart, the major trend line has been taken out. So because of that, when you do look on the daily chart, the stock trend has been improved significantly, particularly when the stock is actually trading above the 200-day moving average. uh, All right, since January, so there has a new high low structure was formed. Buying interest keep popping up within the 50-day moving average. So we think there's a decent chance for the stock, sorry, for the REITs to trade higher. As we put our technical target at 1 ringgit 47 cent and 1 ringgit 60 cent, while the support should be at 1 ringgit 29 cent. So the rest of the stock mostly does look quite promising. However, a lower breakout below immediate support could alter the stock current bias from bullish to bearish. So watch out for the stop loss level. As for now, this five trading idea does look quite promising in terms of the technical reading. Alright, that will be all from me.